implementing blockchain-based software license validation as submission for Borathon 2019. We, the IT Data Analytics team, propose a solution to this long-lived problem of software license validation. Software license is a legal instrument governing the use and distribution of software. Thus, it is crucial for any organization to ensure implementation of safeguards to mitigate any misuse and infringement of the intellectual property. Companies incur huge revenue loss due to non-compliance and license infringement. The software license validation is growing in complexity, with factors of non-compliance ranging from license overuse, cracks, pirated software, indirect access by third-party application, to sharing of user accounts, multiple logons, and cross-border usage. Adding another dimension of platform as cloud, IoT, hybrid, etc. increases complexity multifold, which challenges the existing online authorization-based SLA. Thus, with our submission, we propose a solution to the problem of illegal redistribution and usage of software licenses through a method of decentralized, peer-to-peer, publicly auditable SLA. With our proposal, the product license is cryptographically stored in blockchain, represented as a transaction entity in it, which could thus be validated against the method of chain of title. VMware thus generates VM coins using the user's blockchain address and VMware's public key, setting up a unique client software key pair that the license key is associated with and signed by the VMware's private key. This leads to no single point of failure with the distributed peer-to-peer blockchain architecture. Seen as a good impact and a huge impact for the organization, we see that with the advancement in technologies, increase in software dependency and investments, and increase in the complexity, the software license fraud causes great revenue loss for the vendor. This also adds up to the revenue investment to avoid and safeguard the organization with all the measures. Thus, with this submission, we see an increase in the license purchase and consumption, thus leading to increase in the customer base and more specifically and importantly curbing the existing license fraud and overuse for the VMware products, gaining revenue and limiting the resources spent on safeguarding. Thus, we propose this as our implementation architecture. Users purchase product licenses as VM coins, which are securely generated by VMware using VMware's blockchain address as unique keys. With enough VM coin balance, the user could successfully access the product. The user authentication is enabled via the wrapper, which validates the user and performs a self-check mechanism to ensure zero breach opportunity. Upon successful authentication, user license information based on the blockchain data is sent and used for activating the product and usage, thus achieving the user access immediately. The entire process is encapsulated from the user, giving him highly secured access without compromising on the user experience. With this, we would thus move to our implementation, the demo, and before moving on to that, these are the tools used for developing it. Most importantly, the blockchain implementation and HTML and JavaScript to support the same. Key learnings spanning both the functional and the technological aspects around the VMware's business, licenses, and the technological implementations.